Good morning, I am Purnima and I welcome you to my English class. Student, how are you? And today we are going to study a new chapter, and that is article writing. Okay, article you can see on the board. Now, first of all children, what is an article? So children, you must be thinking that during the summer vacation, before the beginning of summer vacation, all the teachers language teacher used to learn after you, and they used to tell, oh come on, bring the articles for your school magazine. So have you ever thought children what is an article? So article is a piece of writing. Okay, article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing. What is an article? It is a non-fiction prose writing. I hope you know what is the difference between prose and poem, isn't it? Prose is in the form of a lesson, and poem, so I think everybody know with their it's a rhyming words, and you know what is the structure of a poem. So children, so this an article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing meant for newspaper and magazine. It usually describes authors' personal opinions. Children, when you will write the article on some topic, it is your personal opinion. What you are thinking about that you have to describe it. Okay. So children, and now I will be telling you about the points for writing good article. Okay. So for children, first of all children, whenever you write an article, a title should be there or a proper format. So what is the format of an article writing? Let me tell you. Okay, so this is the format of an article. Children, whenever you write an article writing, you have to write a heading, and you have to write, children, it is written by whom. Don't ever write XYZ. Always you have to write name. If you will write XYZ, your marks will be omitted, your marks will be lessened, your marks will be cut. Okay, children, this is for the format, is just for the format I am telling you here XYZ. You write any name. Sometimes children, the name is given in the question also, that imagine you are Samir and you have to write an article for your school magazine about child labor. So you can see the name of the person who will be writing an article is given. So in that case children, you will not have any problem here. You can say write child labor by whatever is the name is given, you have to write that. But if the name is not given, many people write by XYZ, so this will be a wrong format. Always write a correct format. That means you don't have to write XYZ, you have to write any name. Okay, now what is a character of a good article? An article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing meant for newspaper and magazine. It usually describes author personal opinion. Value points. Make a clear plan of your article, what the title would be. How would you begin it and how would you conclude it? So children, what is a title of your article? How would you begin it? How would you conclude it? Okay. Use one paragraph each to express your idea. So use one paragraph to express your idea. Avoid spelling and grammatical errors. You have to avoid spelling, children. I mean to write a wrong spelling and wrong grammatical error. Use cohesive ideas and develop them. So use cohesive ideas and develop them. So this is the meaning of an article writing. Then only you will write a good article. Now children, your article should be, what to say children, your article should be written in a sequence wise. Okay. if you will not write your article in a sequence wise, then children, the meaning of article writing will not be accomplished. Okay, a child should know that when they have to elaborate or narrate the idea, and whole idea should be written, children, in a sequence wise. Second important point is that children, if input is there in the hints or hints is there for article writing, you have to, children, mix your own ideas also. Okay, suppose if some question is there and hint is there how to write an article writing, okay, then you have to write your own ideas also for writing a good article. So this you have to see. Okay, then children, you have to see less grammatical mistakes should be there, and children, you also have to see that the article should be written in which tense. Suppose if anything has happened, like how you have celebrated Independence Day in your school, that event is finished now. So how you are going to start that event? Not like a story, once upon a time we had a flag hoisting in our school, nothing like that. Okay, everything you will write in a sequence. Who is the chief guest, welcome speech started with the welcome speech of the chief guest, how many programs were there, but everything will be written in past tense. Okay, why? Because that events have been finished, that events had happened, so everything you will be writing in past tense. Or event which is going to is there right now in the present sense, so you have to write the tenses, all the tenses in the present tense. So this, children, you have to see. Okay, all these things, like children, in your school you had a career guidance and counseling for students, so that thing has been happened, it is finished. So all the tenses you will write in which tense? In the past tense. So this you have to see while writing a good article. Proper title should be there, children, and children, there is 1 mark for writing title. Even the title, children, there is a title also, it has a way is there to write a title. Like children, suppose you have to write a title, books is our best friend. So children, how you have to write the title? Book, B should be written with a capital letter, okay, O capital letter, B capital letter, and F capital letter, by Om Priya. Okay, so B should be written capital letter, O should be written with a capital letter, B should be written with a capital letter, F should be written with a capital letter, and then children, by, you have to write the name of some person. If the name of that some person is given, fine. If it is not given, then also it is fine. Then you have to write some fake person name, or you can write your name also, isn't it? So this thing you have to see when you are writing an article writing. Children, the next thing is that your language should be, children, simple, clear, relevant. All the relevant points should be there. You cannot change the theme. You cannot write irrelevant points in the article. Otherwise, children, you should write correct expression, correct content in the article writing. Okay, if your content will be wrong, definitely nobody is going to give good marks. Okay, and children, adhere to the word limit also. 150 to 200 word is there for article writing. If you will write more than 200 word or 150 words, your marks will be cut. This also you have to see, children, when you write an article. Children, you have to write a title of the article. You have to write by whom the article was written. And the third important piece, children, is a content of your article. Okay, so make all the points very lucid or clear. It should be relevant. The language should be brief. It should be good language, clear language. Okay, and children, you will see that it is right. If the article is according to its theme only, nothing irrelevant should be written in article writing. And the children, the most important thing, you have to plan your article, how you have to start your introductory part, then your children your center part, and then your concludatory part. And children, try to avoid this grammatical errors and spelling, because children, there is a marks for accuracy, There's a mark for expression also in the article writing. Whatever idea you are using them, children, please develop it properly. Develop it properly. That means, children, you should know that which idea is you are going to write, and after that which idea will be coming. After that which idea will be there. That you have to see. Okay. So this is all the important point about article. And the most important thing, children, are sometimes the hint, whenever the hint is given in article writing, mostly it is given. So you have to see, children, you don't have to write. What I've seen many students, they write the same thing. So that doesn't mean you will write the same thing, children. You have to elaborate. That means, children, you have to mix your own idea and the idea which is given in the inbox. That you have to see. Okay. And children, you can also write, children, what is authentic, like corruption in public places and institute in India. So children, there are many news in last time, there were many news in TV that who were the person who were doing the corruption and all that thing. Okay. And like Malia was there, so many things were there where ED has gone and caught them, and they have brought these people for the inquiry. Okay, so you have to see. And children, sometimes, children, the article writing is not a very easy art. Like, children, combating the menace of drug, this is not a very easy topic, what the people think. Okay, then children, there are articles on political issues, economical issues, social school general burning topics. So you have to say, children, whatever that's why, children, we have to keep on reading. Reading is important for article writing. And children, whenever you write an article, you should follow the correct format of how to write the article. That is a very important thing. Okay, so children, I will be telling you one question, that how it is related with article writing. Okay. While writing the article, you have to see whether the inputs or the hint is given or not. Like, children, one very easy example I am taking from the sample paper from the reference book, that taking help from the information given below and invent your own details and write an article on books or our best friend. Now, two types of articles are there, children. One is for your school magazine and others is for your newspaper. So the article, children, which you have to write are those articles which has to be published in the school magazine. So in the question, children, it is clearly written that write an article for your school magazine. And for that, children, there is a particular format for that article. You have to write the children heading, and you have to write by whom the article was written. This you have to see. Okay, now, children, one more thing which I would like to tell, that children, the article should be, children, written in a very impressive manner. It should attract your children conscious. Okay, catchy words, some special flowery language should be written. And children, you can write also some good thoughts while writing the article. Okay, so one article I am telling you, and what is that article which I will be reading you? Taking help from the information given below and inventing your own details, write an article on books, our best friend. So this article you have to write on the topic books, our best friend. And children, the thing is that information, that means hint, is also given here in this question. So what is the hint? Human relation can be deceptive and unreliable. Human relation can be deceptive and unreliable. Books, our best companion. Our friends and guides. Okay, these are the points which is given. This is given in the output. Education as well as are very informative nowadays. So now, children, how you will start your article? Definitely, children, you will start with the title. And what is the title? Books, our best friend. And I have also told you children how to write the article. See, B, O, B, F, all these things. Okay, the first letter of each word is written in the, how it is written children? It is written in the as if we write the title. The heading, have you seen in the books how the headings are written, how the title of the head of chapters are written? So in the same manner we have to write the heading here. Then children, in the next line you have to write by. That means you have to write the name of the person by whom the article is written. If the name of the person is given in the question, it's okay. If not given, then you have to think and write some other name. And then also if you cannot think, then you can write your own name and surname. So now children, now I am going to read the article, and you can see children that how these articles are, the sequence of the articles, how it is written. So it is very difficult for us to live in isolation. It is very difficult for us to live in the isolation. Our human friends, relatives and companion can prove unreliable and treacherous. Okay, sometimes our friend, our companion, okay, what they prove? That they prove that they are unreliable and treacherous. They can harm our interest. They can also harm our interest. However, books are our real companions, friends and guides. They enrich humanity. They are a storehouse of knowledge. They have educative as well as informative value and importance. Okay, you can see how nicely children, you can see the idea are being children concised. Okay, they enrich humanity, values and importance. Let us live in the company of books. They will never betray or deceive us. So these company of books, it will never betray or deceive us. Okay, we can look towards them for guidance, learning and entertainment. Okay, so children, you can see they are a storehouse of knowledge. They enrich humanity. Okay, they have educative as well as informative value and importance. So all the books, they have informative value and educative importance. Let us live in the company of books. They will never betray or deceive us. They will never betray or deceive us. We can look towards them for guidance, learning and entertainment. So children, we can look these books as our guidance, entertainment and what else children? Learning. For guidance, learning and entertainment. Shakespeare's, now something we have written about Shakespeare also. Shakespeare dreams have a universal appeal. Homer, Valmiki, Ved Vyas have given us immortal work. I hope you know children, Ved Vyas, Valmiki, Ramayana is there. Okay, and Homer. Then Quaid poems are thing of beauty and give us joy forever. Tagore's Gitanjali transport us to a spiritual world. Premchand Godard unfolds rustic life and its problem. So there are many famous books like children. My favorite is Charles Dickens. Okay, you will really enjoy. Many people like to read the story from Shakespeare, Sherlock Holmes. Then children, Harry Potter, of course, it has become world famous book. So there are many books which the children like to read. Okay. Now children, in the second paragraph, books are our best companion. If you are alone, you can take up books of your choice. So children, they are the best companion. They never deceive us. You can take up books of your choice and taste, and very soon you become a part of children it. Whenever children you take the book of your taste and your choice, you will definitely become the part of it. Books on travels and adventures are not informative but also quite exciting. The biographies of a great men like Lincoln and Gandhi can be a source of inspiration. Okay, now children, there are many travelogue where you can know about the children, about countries and various type of people, their eating habit, their traditions. Okay, then it is never too late to enter the world of books. The sooner you enter, the better it will. So apart from giving knowledge, the book entertain us. They never deceive us. They are like our best friend. Okay, so finally children, you have is written that books are your best friend. Okay, so this is one of the article. So in article writing, what you have to write? You have to write children the title of your article, then by whom it is written. Now children, many people they write thank you at the end, so that is a wrong format. Let me tell you, we never write thank you at the end. Why should we write thank you at the end? You have written the article, you have written by whom it is written, that's all. You don't have to write thank you. We never write thank you to the for the school magazine. Have you seen we write thank you in the school magazine or in the newspaper? So this is a wrong format. Don't try to write thank you at the last. Now, children, I will be writing one article I am going to read. You can see children, that is describing one event. So you can see, you are dismayed at the fact that no proper counseling or guidance is provided to student in school and colleges. Children, many school they keep counselor, but then also children, many school are there, they never keep counselor, and the problem of student and teachers are increasing day by day. So they should keep some counselor to discuss it. Write an article on career guidance and counseling for student for publication in a local magazine. Now children, you have to write not for your school magazine but for your local magazine. Okay, so children, what you will do, you have to write the title. What title you will write? Okay, so this is, and then children you have to write, you have to see children, if the name is written here, then you write that name, but in the question children the name is not written, so you can write anything by Ravi. Okay, so it is written by the name of the person who has written the article. Then leave one line and write your article. So let me tell you children how you are going to write the article related with some events. Gone are the days when in our country, school and colleges used to serve as factories for manufacturing, clerk or babus for the offices of our colonial rulers. So gone are the days. Okay. Career guidance and counseling for a student had no place in the Machiavellian setup. Now we are living in a highly competitive world. Without any proper guidance or counseling, the student remained confused and directionless. So children, earlier children nobody was able to guide. Now we are having internet facility and there are various career guidance members are there. Then counselors are appointed in the school to give guidance to the students. So gone are those days where the people, children, two levels of people used to be there. One who were toppers, they used to become engineer or in a medical field or chartered accountant, or they used to do MBA, and the other used to become babus or the clerk. Nothing, no choice, because people were not aware of the job or the professions of different kinds. So without any proper guidance or counseling, students remain confused and directionless. Hence, the need for proper counseling and guidance for students to choose their future career and destiny. It won't be out of place to suggest a proper counseling and guidance to students at a reasonably early level. At the high school level, a team of professional and expert must interact with the students. After judging their aptitude, inclinations, and skill, they must guide them about their prospective careers. They can counsel them which vocational courses or discipline of learning suit their temperaments. Aptitude and skill. So children, see how nicely how children in a proper way everything is written. Okay. It won't be out of place to suggest. So children, in the first paragraph, at last you will write, hence the need for proper counseling and guidance for a student to choose their future career and destiny. Okay, so there's a need to choose their future and career. Now in the second paragraph, what you will write, it won't be out of place to suggest a proper counseling and guidance to students at a reasonably early level. At the high school level, a team of professionals and experts must interact with the students. After judging their aptitude, inclinations and skill, they must guide them about their prospective careers. They can counsel them which vocational courses or discipline of learning suit their temperaments. Aptitude and skill. It would help the student to chalk out their future line or action. So children, the best thing is that children, with the help of the career guidance, the students will able to judge that in which field they have to go, what subject would be better for them to study. Okay, so these are the things which they can, instead of children taking advice from many people, from their parents, friends, they can directly go to the career guidance counselors and they can discuss. So it won't be out of place to suggest a proper counseling and guidance to a student at a reasonably early level. Children, at the early level when they are in 10th and 12th, children, career guidance come and counsel them, and it is the best stage where they will know about themselves and they will children choose the career. At the high school level, a team of professional and expert must interact with the student. So children, in our school also you can see children, many types, many career guidance and counselor are there in our school also. They help children help the student in many in choosing their profession, in choosing their careers, as well as the counseling has been done by them. After judging their aptitude, inclination and skill, they must guide them about their prospective career. So children, these judging their aptitude, okay, their inclinations, their skill, then they guide them to choose their careers. They can counsel them which vocational courses or disciplines of learning suit their temperaments, aptitude and skill. It will help the student to chalk out their future line of action. It can save them from unnecessary confusion, uncertainty and ambiguity. All students are not cut out for engineering, medical or management discipline. Okay, now there may be others who may be counseled and guided to choose humanities, art or law. Well, the ultimate choice will definitely rest with the students. So ultimately children, the choice will be of students, their parents. There must be a permanent counseling and guidance cell in every school, and I think children, we are lucky that we are always having a counselor and guidance in our school and other higher institutions of learning. It is quite workable and pragmatic plan. Only the concerned authorities need to have the willpower and means to implement it. So children, you can see children how these career guidance and counselor, they are very helpful to children, because children, it is the question of their future. There are lot of pressure from the parents also, children. Like many parents, if their wish are not fulfilled, like many parents, they are not able to become doctors or engineers, so they force their children to become. Okay, they keep on telling all those things to their student. No, you have to become, I'm earning for you, I'm spending so much money for you. So children, it is very necessary, and the child come in pressure. He knew his aptitude is not to become an engineer or a doctor, but then just to, for the sacrifice, he has to sacrifice his life for the pressure, for his parents, and unfortunately he is not able to succeed. Until there the thing get worse, the child get depressed. Okay, so it is here, children, the child should listen to his conscience also. He should know that what is his aptitude, and then he can discuss with the counselor that this is his aptitude. Or children, if suppose if you are not interested in going to medical side, you can tell your parents, it's not my cup of tea, it's not my field. Okay, so children, with this, children, I hope what I want to say to you, that means what I want to say to you, that whatever you write in your children article, it should be according to the theme. The theme should not be changed. Everything should be arranged sequence wise. Okay, then only you will be able to write a good article. With this, children, I conclude my lesson here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.